Bulavinaka Fiji, Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum, and good evening to you. Welcome to your favorite night on television. This is Jejemon. I trust you're enjoying your Thursday from whatever part of our beautiful country you are joining me from. If you are tuning in from the Salad Bowl Valley, Singatoka, and come from the province of Nandranga, Bulavinaka to you, including our online viewers across the Walesi platforms and our YouTube channel. Thank you for your company tonight. Now, my guest tonight is one of my favorite people in the world. Not because he is my CEO, but because he is one of the reasons for the tremendous success of this show. Riyaz Sayed-Khaiyum has supported every concept, encouraged innovation, as well as injected some great advice and constructive criticism into my scripts, shoots, and concepts. Jejemon won Fashion Media of the Year and to date is the only TV show in Fiji that has traveled the world. And because he always has a busy schedule, I snuck into his office and had a fun interview about his style. Take a look.
So unless you want me to include the lady stuff too.
No.
Yeah.
Your favorite Fijian designer.
Okay, then I should say her then.
Are you getting this on camera? Show on Tuesday.
Hi, I'm Riyaz Sayed-Khaiyum. I'm the CEO of the Fijian Broadcasting Corporation. Anything black. Phone, watch, keys, wallet. Telephone more, because I like to talk to people. I think it's more immediate. Emails, more so business. My wife, because I'm very familiar with her work. And sometimes I make some suggestions as well. Anyway, really, I like wearing lots of t-shirts. I live in t-shirts apart from work. So it's anywhere I can get a good t-shirt. So it could be anyone, really. If I see something I like, I'll buy. I don't like to own too many clothes. But so basically I've got t-shirts and shorts and jeans. I just bought a new pair of shoes when I was away last time, so I think that's a pretty good deal. I'm wearing slip-on shoes for the first time in my life. The thing with slip-ons is I always think it's going to slip out. So it took me a while to sort of get used to the idea to wear slip-on shoes. But it's working out well, and it was reasonably priced, and it's a good pair of shoes. Black. Bell-bottoms. I hate bell-bottoms. I was made to wear them when I was young, at one stage in the 70s. And I've got photos to prove it. I looked absolutely ridiculous, and everyone else in the photo looked absolutely ridiculous. Why were bell-bottoms invented in the first place? They were used to sweep the road, because they used to be long, and they were bell-bottoms, so they swept the road all the time. So, yeah, no bell-bottoms. Hate it. Black clothes. Yeah. Fiji, of course. I love my country, and I still think I haven't seen enough of Fiji. I still want to see more. There's lots of places to see, so I think we should see as much of our own country before we see other countries. Of course, I because of my work, I get to travel outside of Fiji as well. So outside of Fiji, because of its work, so usually it's in a city somewhere. I'd say KL in Colorado. It's a cool place. I wear a black t-shirt and jeans and flip-flops, shoes, whatever, but it has to be, black t-shirt and jeans. It works all the time. I think as a world leader, Donald Trump wears his tie too long. It looks like he's got a red tongue hanging out all the time, so someone should tell him that he needs a shorter tie. We get to do new things all the time, so we'll think of crazy ideas, and we're known for that now. Over the last decade or so, that we come up with ideas that are kind of off the charts. It's new, it's different, and that's the way we operate. Everyone knows now that within FBC that we've got to come up with fresh ideas and new ideas constantly and consistently. So that's the cool thing about coming in and trying ideas that have never been tried before. Even in terms of new ideas globally, we're doing some things at FBC that has not been tried in broadcast in other parts of the world. So that's a real cool thing to do. No one really. Yeah, I do my own thing. To please my parents, I told them I wanted to be a fireman when I was really young. because they always ask me what do you want to be, and I didn't want to be anything at that stage. So just to please everyone in the family, I said I want to be a fireman, and everyone thought it was really cool that a young boy wanted to become a fireman. So they left me alone for a while, and then later I wanted to become a photographer because I still like photography, and it's one of my hobbies, although I don't have much time to do it these days. But then I also like writing as well, so thank God I started off my career with writing, and I still do to an extent. Lots of people. I like people around me. I think Suva is a very cosmopolitan city. Although we do get bogged down a bit, I prefer more sunshine. And I can tell you what the worst part about Suva is that we have too much rain, and I'm the sort of person where the weather dictates my moods to an extent. So when it's sunny, I'm of a sunny disposition. When it's raining, I think I get a little bit grumpy. So the good thing about Suva is, we always used to say this as friends when we were younger, and we got together as a group, there's nothing like a sunny day in Suva, which is very rare. I really don't use too much. I'll use whatever my wife's using. Oh, just any good gel, really. I need to gel my hair in place, otherwise it goes all stupid. Definitely 60s. Very cool. I like the tapered pants and the sharp cut suits, and maybe not the hair too much, but yeah, very sharp. I've seen pictures of my father during the 60s, and he looked extremely sharp, and everyone dressed up well. Nowadays we don't, and I just, I think because at that time there was the very conscientious thing about dressing up to show respect to the people that you're with, rather than dressing up for yourself. Nowadays it's more about dressing up for yourself. So, I don't really like ties and shirts. I'd rather be in a t-shirt, But we have to, in order to set examples and to show respect to the people that we work with, that we care enough for them to be neat in front of them and dress up. So I think that's the thing. I'm Riyaz Sayed-Khaiyum. I'm keeping it Cheche on Jejemon.
Fijian Broadcasting Corporation CEO and my big boss, Riyaz Sayed-Khaiyum, and our fun interview here at Broadcasting House in Suva. And a fun fact that you should know about this show is that the name Jejemon was decided between us 6 years ago. The rest is history, as they say. Thank you, Riyaz, for all that you do, and I look forward to another fantastic year in 2020 under your awesome leadership. Time for a short break. Our international segment is up next, and we profile the 2019 Fashion Awards in London. See you soon.